lesson, you will learn how to find the minimum or maximum element from a two-dimensional array. If you have to determine the minimum element from a two-dimensional array, you need a new variable which will start with the first element. One by one, each element will be compared with this, and if one of them is smaller, this will take its value. Now let's see an example and the code for this problem. So I have a two-dimensional array with n lines and n columns, like in this example. First, this variable will receive the first value, so 0. After, this variable will be compared with 1, 2, 3, and so on until you reach the last element. And in the end, this variable will retain the minimum value from this array, so -5. Now let's see the code. I will take a two-dimensional array. The number for lines, for columns, two variables for loops, and this variable for the minimum value. And this is all. Here I will read the number of lines and columns. So and after I will read those elements from the two-dimensional array. Without message, but you'll find the complete algorithm in the source files. And now let's see. So first, this variable will retain the first component from the first line and first column, and after, one by one, each element will be compared with this variable. So if a of ij is lower than mean, this variable will retain that value, and in the end I'll print this variable. And now let's check. So for 3 lines, 4 columns, and these values, in the end we will print it -5, so it's correct. And like homework, You have to calculate the maximum element from a two-dimensional array like this algorithm, but you will change something in this step of verification. And we will see next time when I will talk about the construction of a two-dimensional array. See you next time.